Casa Crespo is a restaurant, but also a cooking school, but also a chocolate store. And we focus on the dishes from the small villages and bring those dishes to the tables of Casa Crespo. I grew up in a small village in the Mixteca region, and it was a nice life back then. All my family, my brothers, my sisters. My mother used to run a small restaurant, so I used to help her, and I have still memories of helping her in the kitchen. I have a grandmother and I have a godmother. Both of them were really nice cooks. I studied art. I really like art, I really like painting, but I enjoy most cooking. With cooking, I can feed artists and I can have art on my walls. Oaxaca is very rich in culture. We have 16 different ethnic groups, 16 different languages, but also 16 different cuisines. So everywhere you go, you find different dishes. In my classes, I meet lots of people, and it's very fun to meet people from other countries. They are interested in the culture. I like meeting those people. The biggest challenge was the pandemic. So I'm very fortunate to have a house in the country. So I moved there and I started working on my recipes. It was a nice time because I spent those days with my family. Right now I have lots of information to make not only one cookbook, but several of them. I like being my own boss. I like to have my own business because that way I can manage, I can decide over everything. I am very proud of the food that we serve. I am proud, but I am also happy when people are happy with the food, when people enjoy the food.